a very funny, jovial, and as I said, a positive influence and personality. Jerome, the JAHJAH Foundation is grateful for your commitment and support, and the Board of Directors for the JAHJAH Foundation is therefore pleased to present the Pioneer Award to Mr. Jerome Peart. Please put your hands together for Jerome Peart. Rather, Dr. Dixon and Dr. Copeland to come forward to present that award. Andy will get you in just a moment.
I just want to say a few words about Jerome because I've known him for a long time when we first started the mission. And something that he won't tell you is that, I don't know many of you who know the geography or the landscape of Jamaica. So we were stopped in Ocho Rios to do a mission, and we stopped to sleep in Ocho Rios for one night. And when everyone was tucked in to their beds at about 1 o'clock at night, I had to drop Jerome to the city center so he could take a cab. And do you know why he was going for a cab? He had to go back to Spanish Town to make sure his kids were tucked into bed. Okay? What you don't know, he's a single father. Okay? He raised 2 children. What's the name of your kids? Yeah. So, and he's back the next morning. You know, there's another security officer with the team, but he's back the next morning by 8 o'clock so we can move out from Spanish back. This is before the new highway, guys. Okay? So sometimes you don't know what it is to be a volunteer. But every year you can count on Jerome. Every year for 9 years. That says a lot of who he is. And he really deserves this award. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Feeling like I'm collecting a Grammy Award. So I just want to say thank you, God, first. Thank you, my fan, Dr. Charles Dixon, CEO. I want to thank you all for ensuring and looking out to say that I deserve this award. Without you, it would not be possible because it was not Dr. Dixon alone who made the decision. So I want to thank you all, my friends, and God bless you all.
Yashonda can be described as one of those persons who is diligent in her work and never seeks reward or glory. Even so, we felt compelled to recognize her tonight and to show her how much we appreciate her contribution to the JAHJAH Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely proud to present the 2019 JAHJAH Angel Award to Yashonda Thomas-Adams.
Thank you, everyone, and especially Dr. Dixon. I appreciate you all. Thank you.
Not so fast, Shonda, not so fast. You know, all the JAHJAH angels are very dear to me, you know that, right? But Shonda has been with us from, we had 35 guests at our function in a small restaurant in Hackensack, New Jersey. At one Christmas Eve, Shonda was there, and Shonda has been there when the boat didn't sail. Shonda was still sailing with us. So for those of you who know Shonda, you know whether the boat is sailing or not, Shonda is ready to collect funds for the JAHJAH Foundation. So thank you for your service, and we look forward to many, many more years of service. Right, Anthony? Many more years of service. Thank you for allowing your wonderful, beautiful wife to serve in the JAHJAH Foundation.
He doesn't wait to be asked. He simply jumps right in and gives a hand wherever he sees the need. He is reliable and a true team player. No wonder he was called on by the JDF for special missions such as relief efforts in Dominica after the hurricane, and most recently to bring home the body of the late Prime Minister for Jamaica, the Honorable Edward Seaga. when he passed away overseas earlier this year. Ladies and gentlemen, the Board of Directors for the JAHJAH Foundation is honored to present Staff Sergeant Richard Williams with the 2019 Champions Award. Dr. Jackie McLean and Dr. Sonia Copeland, please come and help present this award.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I want to say a special thanks to JAHJAH Foundation for presenting this award to me. It's a pleasure, and it couldn't happen without all the volunteers. I thank you all. Have a good night.
Richie. I just want you to know that this is the most words I've heard Richard speak at any given time. Okay? And I'm not playing. Richard came on board and he doesn't talk much, but he gets the work done. And anybody who knows JAHJAH Foundation, they know that what we do. We don't talk much, but we do what? Get the work done. Right? Because we do it for the love, we don't do it for the
In fact, he is one of the persons who has inspired Dr. Dixon in his role as CEO for JAHJAH. Even with all of these incredible accomplishments, he remains humble and dedicated. Giving back in his life's mission is his life's mission. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely proud this evening to present Dr. Roy Street with the Humanitarian Award. Dr. Roy Street. And while he makes his way, I'd like to also invite Dr. Sonia Copeland, Dr. Jackie McLean Marks, who may want to say a few words, Claudette Powell, Dr. Trevor Dixon, Claudia Dixon, if you come back into the building, we want to see you up here. And here is Dr. Roy Street.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for this award. I am so proud to be honored by my good friends here, Dr. Dixon and Dr. Sonia Copeland. I must tell you, she's the foundation for us in the day. She helps us so much in getting through all the bureaucracy that she spoke about. And I would, I have to say to all my volunteers here that assist me. And speaking of the ladies, it's plenty of respect for them. It's all ladies around. There's a powerhouse behind Garfield. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Before I get the mic to all these wonderful ladies, let me tell you something. Once I said I was going to be honoring Dr. Roy Street tonight, the applications came flying because everybody wanted to be on stage to say a few words to Dr. Roy Street. So we had to narrow it down to these three ladies here who all have a special story to share of the influence that Dr. Roy Street has had on their life. And I can tell you, as a little boy, growing up in Brooklyn, and then growing older, I used to hear about Dr. Roy Street, man. Dr. Roy Street, man, of the Bronx. Dr. Roy Street, yeah, man, I remember one of the things for the mission thing. And then I had the opportunity one day to meet Dr. Roy Street. I'm like, that's Dr. Roy Street? Humble and upright. And that's how he's always been. He's been all over Jamaica, all over the world, He's been my mentor, and anyone who listens to Facts of the Matter with Eric Clear or any of the programs, they know I say, I stand on the shoulders of giants. And I always mention Dr. Roy Street as one of those giants. So thank you for accepting this award, and thank you for taking the JAHJAH Foundation under your wings and guiding us. Thank you so much.
Dr. Street and I met several years ago in the late 90s when I had all these applications coming to my desk as the medical officer of health for Clarendon. And And yeah, he doesn't mess around. Yeah, I don't want to sign the form. You know, sign that form. But your reputation is good when your reputation can precede you and the persons can attest to how generous at heart you are and the difference you have made for many, many in Jamaica. Thank you, Roy.
Thank you. Good evening. I'm Claudette Powell, and I chair the Jamaica Diaspora Health Task Force, and I'm also the Public Relations Officer for the Jamaica Nurses Group of New York. And the reason I mentioned the task force, Dr. Street and I are coming from the days when it was called the health sector, from about 2008. And he taught me how to be a leader in the health sector. This is a man that was always working and telling everyone how the system was set up in Jamaica. And now I can so happy to say that I'm now leading where he left and taught me. We were also with Dr. Copeland, instrumental in coordinating the fact-finding vision in 2010, and we spent some time in Minnesota doing conferences and meeting with various persons in the United States. So I want to congratulate Dr. Street. You're so deserving of this award.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to say I met Dr. Street in 1993 when I was a second-year dental student at NYU. And I want to say all these years later, this was a seed that was planted by Dr. Street and other members in the Jamaican community in dentistry that got me to do missions year after year. This is now, I think, my 26th year going on a mission. And so this is my garden that was flourished with Dr. Street. So I say thank you.